Hi, in this video we'll be doing top-down car physics. Now I haven't actually got like a car. If you have a car already made, then that's great. If you don't, then you can just go into costumes, get a square. It doesn't really matter. And just go like that and say it's your car. Like it doesn't matter how. So yeah, you have a car. This again backdrop just for cosmetic. Now this is just simple code for top-down. Kind of steering and moving forward, backward and forward. So forever, if the up bar is pressed, and we're gonna want to move 10 steps. Duplicate that. Down arrow, -10. I'm gonna change that to like actually 8. And then duplicate this. Right, left, get rid of the move, and get the turns. You can just do minus on that, or you just get the left. So left arrow left, right arrow right. And you'll probably see. Oh yeah. One thing that's happening is the car can't be long ways. It has to be this way. And this will make it like an actual car. So yeah. When you've done that, you'll have a car. That'll turn left and right. But the thing is, it looks like it's just spinning. So if you don't like that, you can go like this. So now when you turn left and right, there's like a consequence. And so this is easier to understand. The car's forward is this way. This is just because it looks weird. So yeah, arrow is the way the car's facing. So yeah, you have the car that can move around. It can move around, can move forward. If you hold the arrows, you can kind of go really quick. You can go back. If you want, you can make it so back is very slow. And you can make it so you don't turn as many degrees. Just kind of do turn pretty quick. So now this is kind of like a car. So yeah. This helped you. Like, subscribe. That is how you do car physics in Scratch. Thanks for watching, and bye.